All right, stay there for a sec.
Okay.
So, yeah, the first thing he was doing was shrugging.
I was thinking about not shrugging, but I was still doing it.
Yeah, you're shrugging, and you're doing this a little. So you're putting a little tension on your forearm and taking it off. Let's keep your wrist like this.
Like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And don't shrug. Every rep you started like this.
Really?
Yeah. And when you initiate the rep, push your chest into the bench.
Okay. Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
So even go a little, like almost supinated. Just a tiny bit, yeah.
Oh,
right
so
there.
like slight angle.
Slight angle, yeah.
Okay. And same thing, don't bear it in your palm, kind of be out here.
Try thumbless grip.
Okay.
Go like this, thumb around.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so get your thumb on it a little more.
Okay.
Yeah. Now try that. Yep.
Okay.
Before you even go, drive this down. Engage your lat here. Engage. Yeah. Go ahead, go. Yep. And drive down. Drive down in my hand. Yeah. Right there. Yep. So drive this down and engage that. Engage that lat hard. Drive down. Yep. And then, you know what, slide over that way a little.
Okay, right here.
And then I'd probably even put this foot here.
Okay, like that.
Yeah. Good. And then you were just driving his elbow straight down. Drive it down to your hip. Yeah, there you go. Just engage that lat. And then just drive your feet into the ground. But don't you want to turn that? Keep it like there.
Oh, right here.
Yeah. And then just drive down against my finger. Don't pull back. Just drive down. Yep. What I notice is you're bottoming it out when you get a little sloppy at the end.
Yeah.
So sit back and make sure those come off.
Oh, when I sit back.
So there's no way you should bottom it out because that's your end range. So you're only bottoming it if you're getting sloppy. And drive this down. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Drive down here. Engage the lat. Nice. Keep that head neutral. Yeah, that was good.
Much better, right?
That was really good. You
Thanks.
feel your lats a lot on that one?
Yeah, big time.